Hello everybody, it's jiaozai. Welcome back. And here's an item from the CEMC of Canada in their Pascal contest. How many of the 1x1 squares are not intersected by either diagonal? As usual, pause this video and give this item a try. And if you're done, let us dive into the solution. Now this question is indeed very, very easy. One obvious solution is to simply count all the 1x1 squares one by one and just count them, then you'll be able to get the answer. However, we can do a more analytical approach, and that is to analyze the given figure and aid us in or help us get the answer with higher precision and accuracy. Now let's talk about the figure. Note how we can focus on 1/4 of the figure. If I draw a vertical line and a horizontal line highlighted in red over here, note how these four figures or these four regions are technically symmetrical with respect to this point. You can say that they're symmetrical with this red vertical line to this red horizontal line, or we can simply say they have radial symmetry. Now this is very nice because all we have to do is to just count how many 1x1 squares are not intersected by either diagonal. So we have this 1/4 over here. We can simply count the number of 1x1 squares, and then we will simply multiply our answer by 4, since we have 4 equal regions according to our symmetry. With this, we now have an enlarged picture for reference. So we just count the number of 1x1 squares that are not intersected by the diagonals. So there are 1, there are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So there are 12 non-intersected 1x1 squares in 1/4 of the figure. So it makes sense that there are also 12, and 12 here in each of the 4 regions. Now, since we have 4 12s, our answer should be 4 times 12, which would give us 48. And this is indeed the answer. Now, one can easily count them one by one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to the final square. And you'll also get that the answer is 48. So sometimes we can actually change our perspective and analyze this item. So aside from the obvious solution, just to count it one by one, we can apply a more analytical approach to, well, have a better precision and accuracy towards the item, and an additional solution to prove that your answer is indeed correct. So if you started counting and you got the answer is 48, you may apply the analytical approach and get the answer of 48. Since in 2 different solutions you get an answer of 48, chances are this is indeed correct. So hope you guys learned something new in this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.